Hello guys, in today's section we are learning about the Vedic messaging, that was a 3-digit crisscross, and we have to solve for this 3-digit crisscross. We have to just solve these 5 steps. So how many? 5 steps. Okay, 5 steps. So guys, I will I will tell you that how we can solve this trick. Okay, so let's start. Suppose guys, I will took here the number 563. Sorry, first I will take a small number for explain you. Sorry, I will take here 101 multiply by 10. Sorry, 101 multiply by 02. Okay guys, so we have to first, this is unit place. 1 2s are 2. First step complete. Okay. Second step, multiplying and with addition. Here addition, here addition, here addition. Okay. 2 0. 2 multiply 0 0. 0 multiply by 1 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So I will just write it 0. Okay guys. So third step is that you can see this one and this one with multiplication with addition. So guys, I'll just rough it here. Okay, so 2 multiply by 1 2, 1 multiply by 1 0 multiply by 0 0, addition it, that will be 3. I will just write here 3. Any problem? Okay, no. Okay, so in here multiplying of tens and hundred place number, tens and hundred. So 0 multiplied by 1, friends, 0, and 1 multiplied by friends 0 will be answer the 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So 0. Okay. So 1 multiplied by 1, simply 1. This is your answer. Yeah friends, this is your answer. You can see that how simple this is the answer. So let's move on next question. Let's go. Friends, I will always told you that the carrier you should take in your mind. Okay, so this take some big example. I will take here. 213 multiply by 21. By this trick you can solve any 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit multiply by 3-digit. I will take here for some examples. 4 3s are simple friends, 4 3s are 12. Carry over 1. Take in your mind 1. Okay. 4 1s are 4. 3 1s are 3. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 8 plus 6 14. Plus 1 1s are 1. 14 plus 1 15. 5. Carry over 1. So 1 2s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 2 4. Plus 1 5. Okay. So and here 2 2s are 4. The answer is coming guys. The answer is coming. So guys, if you think that this is very tough, so I will just comparison. I will do your one comparison. Okay. So I will take a number. Suppose I will take 150. Okay, simple number. Sorry, I will take here 1 at the place of 0 here and here. Okay, guys. So I will solve this by Vedic and this school method. So guys, 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 plus 1 2, plus 1 3, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3 28, carry over 2, 5 is a 5, 5 is a 5, 5 plus 5 10, plus 2 12, carry over 1. So guys, 1 1s are 1 plus 1 2. How is that coming? How many seconds guys? Only 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so here we will do by school method. 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. 1 ones are 1. Right here 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 25. Carry on 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. Right, double 0. 1 ones are 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 ones are 1. And just addition it. Okay. 1. 5 plus 5 10 0. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1 2. Plus 5 7. Plus 1 8. 7 plus 5 12. And here is 1 and carry over 1. 1 plus 1 2. So guys, you can compare that. We must have here 40 to 50 seconds. And here 5 to 10 seconds. Means there is so big difference. The difference is 8 to 10 times it taking more time than this trick. So guys, I will suggest you to solve the sum in competitive exam, not in school. Only in competitive exam. Okay, competitive exam by this trick. Okay, but you are writing the school paper, so you just use this trick, friends, because your teacher will just wrong that answer, and so I will just rough it. So guys, in next lecture, I will teach you the another trick. Okay, which another trick? That will be, this is the 3-digit crisscross. That will be 4-digit. That is as it is crisscross. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, friends. So in next lecture we are learning about the 4-digit crisscross. So friends, thank you for watching this video and watching our trip. So friends, if you like this video, please press on the like button, because for you are pressing the like button, we also get motivated that how will we have to improve. Okay guys, and just please subscribe button also press, because in next lecture we are I just repeat, we are learning about the 4-digit crisscross. Means suppose you got a number 9 multiply with 9. Now how will we do? So I will just come here answer only 10 to 20 seconds in Vedic. But in school 1 to 2 minute. Not second, friends, minute. Okay. So you can see that the difference. Here 5 to 10 times it take more time than this trick. Okay. And here we will do more steps, this step. Here we have to do 5 steps and 4 combinations. And here we have to do 1 step. Okay guys. So next lecture we are learning about this 4-digit crisscross. So guys, I will teach you this in a next lecture. So friends, till goodbye. Thank you.